Oh my, it's cold this morning. Nah, it's about 50. It's our last morning, but we're gonna play a little bit before we head back to Georgia. Speaking of which, nope, light's on, he's asleep. I think I will go get the coffee started, and we'll see what this day brings us. It's just so cool waking up and hearing the waterfall. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but I've enjoyed myself. Looks like another beautiful day in North Carolina. Heck yeah. I'm glad you saw those. And I tell you what, you never know what you're gonna say. Trips by this. So we stopped real quick. Some kind of store, I don't think they're open. But I'm just gonna look really quickly because it's cool. Check that out. That's really cool. And then it's like that. There's the cat with the kitten. Oh, you just never know. Get the signature. And right under that American flag, going down the road, we saw this. Isn't that hilarious? I told you it's right on the road. Tomater. Okay, onward. Well, here's another roadside mural. I was trying to find a different one, but we ended up finding this one. I'll walk over to the other side in a second. There's a car coming. I'll be back. Okay. And here's this side with the hummingbird. I'll try and get some pictures. But it's the 828 Cafe, and it says, into the mountains I go to lose my mind and find my soul. It's made for me. And then this is the side of the building. Isn't it adorable? Oh my God, that is just so incredibly cool. And we're back at the gazebo. Looks like the Scottish festival's all over and done with now. So that's kind of cool. And around and around and around we go. And then that's the Crabapple General Store. I got the mural yesterday. They are pretty. This is a quaint little place. It's got rabbits everywhere, but it's very good food. Wavy bridge or yeah, it's kind of cool. Different. Gainesville. I like that. I like that. Okay. I know what I want. It's a beautiful day to be traveling. Not too hot. And off in the distance you can see Stone Mountain.